Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the DXJJ and the Nixod. Both of these compact washers are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small living spaces such as apartments, dorms, and RVs. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The DXJJ portable washing machine has a capacity of 10 liters, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Nixod offers a larger capacity of 15 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This difference in capacity can be crucial for users who frequently do laundry or need to wash larger items. While both machines are designed for portability, the Nixod comes with additional features such as a spin basket, drain hose, and blue light technology, enhancing its functionality. The DXJJ, on the other hand, offers basic washing capabilities without these extra features, making it a simpler option for those who need just the essentials. When it comes to price, the DXJJ portable washing machine is the more budget-friendly option at $50. In contrast, the Nixod is priced at $80, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. Depending on your budget and laundry needs, this price difference may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the DXJJ and Nixod portable washing machines offer unique benefits for small space living. The DXJJ is an affordable choice for those who need a compact washer, while the Nixod provides extra features and a larger capacity for a higher price. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.